Hello friends, welcome to Kharoo channel. We are solving the exercises of depreciation chapter, and in this video we are solving question 7. Correct the following statement and rewrite the statement. Question 1. Residual value of an asset increases the amount of annual depreciation. The residual value of an asset doesn't increase, but it decreases the annual depreciation. Again, this is the other word for scrap value, and we know the formula. SLM depreciation is calculated, how it is calculated, cost of asset minus scrap value, that is residual value, divided by life of asset, right? Useful life of asset. So if we reduce residual value, we are decreasing the depreciation amount. It decreases the depreciation amount. Next question. Depreciation is calculated on all assets. This is wrong. Depreciation is not calculated on all assets but only on fixed assets. So that's why fixed assets only. What are all assets? In earlier video also we have discussed assets are of three types: fixed assets, current assets and fictitious asset. So depreciation is charged only on fixed asset. Next question, question 3. Under written down value method, depreciation is calculated on original cost of asset. When we calculate depreciation on original cost asset, the method is original cost method. Original cost method, that is also called as straight line method or fixed installment method. So the statement is wrong. Under written down value method, depreciation is calculated on original cost is wrong answer. If original cost is wrong, then we can correct it by saying under the written down value method, depreciation is calculated on WDV, that is written down value, or the other answer will be under straight line method. We will change the method. Under straight line method, depreciation is calculated on original cost of an asset. You can write either this or this. Any one of this is right. Both these answers are right. Next question. Depreciation provided on asset is debited to asset account. For this, what is depreciation entry? Depreciation account is debited as it is an expense. We debit the expenses to the asset account. Whatever fixed asset is there, we credit to that asset account. The asset value reduces because of depreciation. So depreciation provided on asset is debited to asset account. We are debiting depreciation account and not asset account. Asset account is credited. So it's better that we write depreciation provided on asset is credited to asset account. And the last question is question 5. Profit on sale of asset is credited to asset account. Now what will be the journal entry? If the asset is of say 1000 rupees, its WDV is of 1000 rupees. We have sold it for 1100 to get profit of 100, right? In this case, what we will debit? We are getting this amount. So cash or bank account we will debit to what is going out of business. Asset is going out of business to asset account, but this will be at WDV value 1000. This will be, we are getting 1100 cash to asset account to profit on sale of asset 100 rupees. So this way debit and credits are equal. Other way of looking at it is the traditional approach. We credit the incomes and gains. Profit on sale of asset is an income, so we credit this account. So the profit amount is credited to profit on sale of asset account and not asset account. Asset account is wrong answer. So the right answer is profit on sale of asset is credited to profit on sale of asset account. 100 rupees will be credited to this account. This is an income account, a nominal account, and we credit the incomes and gains. That's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for the future notifications.